going into the lion's den. I love you! We're gonna find our rhythm here. Hi, Cedar. You're making my day right now. Just got to my hotel. It is 12:45 and I am an absolute pro because I ordered Uber Eats while I was in my Uber on the way from the airport to the hotel. I ordered Uber Eats to be delivered to my hotel and it got delivered 4 minutes after I got here. So your girl is starving and I got so much sushi, and I just got a text from Walter saying that the final version of our YouTube episode for this week is done, and so I'm going to watch that and eat my sushi. Sounds pretty fabulous, honestly. And I would love to eat in bed, but there's only one bed in this hotel room, and I only eat in bed if there's 2 beds, and I can have a dirty bed and a clean bed. So I'm actually gonna sit here at this little desk, eat my sushi, and watch the YouTube video. Which feels like munchy for the first day, but it goes well. So I got a text from my athlete manager before I left that said, hey bestie. Not actually, he doesn't really call me bestie, but basically he said, hey bestie, make sure and leave room in your suitcase because I got a lot of shit for you to take off. And when I checked into the hotel, sure enough, the woman brings back from behind the desk a big box of stuff. And this is everything that I need to do a shakeout and race day and everything in between. So let's just open it up and see what's in here. Oh my god, wait, this is so cute. I love that! Here's a little cap, like a little fluorescent cap. That's really cute. A water bottle. And a scrunchie. So cute. Okay, let's get into the really fun stuff though. Run yoga party. Wait, this is so cute. I'm obsessed with that. I love that so much. Run yoga party. Good job, team. This is cute. Oh my gosh, wait, is this my race day fit? I'm not sure. I think they're gonna tell me which things are supposed to be not for like race day and shakeout and all the things, but oh my god, the little SeaWheeze logo is very cute. These are my favorite ever shorts. These are the Fast and Free shorts. I won't shut the fuck up about these shorts because I love them so much. They're the best split shorts ever. They're high rise. The waistband is amazing. They're very flowy. They look amazing on everybody. I love those. And then I have some tight shorts as well. These are also called the Fast and Free high rise 8-inch drawstring. So Fast and Free, they call like all the run stuff Fast and Free. What I really love about the Fast and Free tight shorts is right here. The bottom of it, it just disappears into your skin. This is the leg of it. Literally just disappears into your skin. It's amazing. Drop-in pockets on the side for like phone, wallet, keys, whatever. I think this one also has, a zipper butt pocket. It's more secure. And you have your logos there, so cute. And then, wow, very cool. We have like this fluorescent black thing from the cap, and we have it in a top. Let's see, what is this top called? This is the Swift Speed Reflective Crop Tank. Cute, very cute. And shorts, Shake It Out Reflective High Rise Short. The Shake It Out short is really fun. They're very, I'll do a try on. They're very flowy, super flowy. All right, this is cute too. This is in that same black reflective, kind of iridescent. I keep saying reflective, but I think the word is iridescent. It looks iridescent. Last but not least, we got some shoes. Oh my god, fun. So fun. Kind of that same like iridescent vibe.
the chat right now. All right, guys, we are in Vancouver, Canada right now. We're about to go on our 5K shakeout run. We've got 100 employees from Lululemon here. We've got ambassadors from all over the world, and Colleen's gonna try to break a world record, so I'm here for it.
Yeah, it's so funny because I have no idea what he just said, so disregard everything. He was probably all lies. Can't be trusted. We really can't show anything inside, I don't think so.
You're able to in the lobby.
Oh,
After
in the lobby.
You cannot.
Okay. One more. Last shot of the day. HQ, I have no idea what they're gonna have us do today. Probably try on a bunch of new product. And I have more stuff. He brought me this, which, can I keep the garment bag? This is so cute. Another scrunchie. I didn't know that I needed Lululemon hangers. This is going to be my top run yoga party in this cute green color. It needs to be bright so that my people can see me. Very important. This is the Sculpt Graphics Cross Vent Crop Tank, and it is, of course, the SeaWheeze Special Edition. It says Lululemon SeaWheeze, established 2012, and then it says, "You race, I'll pace," because this is a special pacer shirt. Wow. And I have a lovely, fresh, crisp, white energy bra. This is, again, my favorite bra to run in. And the white one, oof, I mean, it's hard to beat. Just like a fresh, crisp, white sports bra. Fun little addition. Anyway, this is my little pacer hat. Pacer Colleen reporting for duty. So exciting. We are just pulling up to the Runna shakeout run. I have this always have this point of anxiety right before going into something like this. I'm like, I'm going into the lion's den. I'm scared. Everybody be nice, okay? Be so fucking nice.
SeaWheeze on 3. 1, 2, 3.
SeaWheeze!
Almost brings a tear to my eye, guys.
Oh, look at this group!
This is pretty cool. I'm gonna frame this.
You wanna know something funny? I don't know the route at all. I don't even know it. So we got you. That's why Jared's here. I gotta get the watch started. How are we doing, guys? How are we feeling? Vibes are high. We're getting our tune set up so we can take any song requests that the group may have. Let's go! Woo! Woo! Time to yog it out. Woo! Hey, must be the money. Woo! Look at this crew. Oh yes! Woo! My 8:30 baddies. Let's go! Woo! SeaWheeze, baby!
I like the way you brush your hair. I like the style.
Whoever's on Ox is just winning. Yeah.
She had me feeling like she's ready to blow.
Can I take a quick photo?
Yeah, of course.
My sister did your training program.
No way. These ladies over here have been making some content for the last like 15 minutes. I've been watching you guys.
This is my personal hell.
Like 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're still not getting it right, by the way. In case you're wondering.
It's a dance trend. Okay, yeah.
Perfect. I love that. Got it? Back, and then
Yeah.
like 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right,
Love
right.
it. Okay.
That's it. She's got it. She's like, this is my personal hell.
All right. But you're gonna get us on the right one.
Yeah.
Your energy.
You're gonna nail it. I believe in you.
This is our best team.
You got it. You got it. They don't got it.
They don't really are worth
They don't got it. They don't got it.
Come back later.
I'm making them nervous. I'm gonna leave them.
We don't need the pressure.
I'll hide here. Oh, they're doing it. They're doing. Oh yeah, ladies! Yes! 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 So good! Oh my God, you're glowing in the sun. Oh my God! I'm so glad I got to be here for that. They got DJ D-Love in the house. DJ D-Love.
Getting in the zone.
Eating your little
Eating my little
breakfast
bar.
cookie.
Yeah, you know, just getting in the zone.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, in the back. Or you prefer, or are your shorts gonna go?
I think on my back.
And then left hand on left knee. Give me a couple circles.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right there. That's the ticket.
Okay, pink shirt.
Big reach up to the sky.
A lot.
And let's do exactly the same on the other side. Let's walk it all the way forward. Right foot outside, right hand.
Let's go, Pesos! We did it now, people! T-minus 1 hour till showtime!
Let's go.
Look how pretty it is out here. Wow, vibey! That's crazy! Little last minute craft project.
We got 30 seconds, friends.
30 seconds! 30 seconds! 3! Oh my gosh. Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! We're doing it! Look at all these crazy people signing up to run a half marathon.
Hi, baby!
Pine 6, you have some fans out here, girls. We love that. We just hit the first K. We're a little bit conservative on pace for the first K, which I think is good. We're gonna find our rhythm here. 5:41 per K is what we're looking for. I gotta keep my find out. 5:41 per K, 9 minutes, 9 seconds per mile. But we do want to end up being a little quick because everybody wants to run under 2 hours. And we got our first cheer zone coming up. You gotta catch their energy. 9 minutes and 1 second for the first mile, according to my GPS watch. So that's pretty good.
gonna cry.
Oh!
All right, I'm fine.
A little wave of emotion. A little wave of emotion is good. I already saw 2 girls crying at the start because they were so happy.
Well, that's a great
I was like, are you okay? They're like, oh, we're so happy. Use this nice downhill to recover. Catch your breath. There's no panicking allowed in the first half, FYI. It's a rule. I love you, say it back! I love you! We're playing a new game. We're in my... Tori just taught us all a new game. 1 minute over or under your baseball? Over. Oh, oops. 2-1. Oops. Not today. Not today. Let's go, SeaWheezers! Our first major hill coming up. I just gave the spiel about chilling on the uphill. We'll make it up on the downhill. We got a big tier section coming up. 3 miles, 9:08. That's our best mile yet. Right on pace. Nice little downhill. Savor it. Say thank you.
You are literally my favorite pacer. I'm like, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, we choose to be here. We're capable. We're strong.
Ooh, I love all these words.
We're all here.
Keep going, queen. Keep going, queen.
We get to choose to wake up in the morning to do this. We celebrate our bodies this way.
Hey,
and we're here for it.
Let's go. I'm taking this one with me. I'm taking her home, putting her in my pocket.
We love it. We love it. We're here for it.
Amazing. Cheer station number 4. Woo! Coming up on 6K. We just hit 7K at 39:37. I think that's 3 seconds fast. So I think that's really good. I think. I gotta ask Nikki, she got the paper. I want to stop and dance, but we can't stop. Gotta keep going. Hi, Cedar. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you're a big boy. My girl's like 80 pounds.
Oh, okay, he's 110.
So she kind of small. Hi, Cedar. You're making my day right now. I'm going to have to catch up to my group. How amazing. Are you so excited?
We're slowing down the pace now.
I know. I got to catch up to my pace. I just saw Bernie's round dog. Now I got to catch up. Aid station. Coming up on the SSC. Coming up on Kevin. I'm about to give Kevin a swing. I got him.
Team, if you are cheering, you need to Nikki Neuburger. You are crushing it. Over halfway there. What a great pace.
That was the energy took us. We needed.
I don't know.
We're about to go over the bridge now.
Let's go, LA.
10K. Woo! 10K. Almost halfway. Woo! Yeah! Go Vancouver! Go Vancouver! Looking so good! Woo! 2 hours, here we come! Let's go!
6.55, and we were just under an hour, which means we're right on pace, everybody. We're killing it. Woo! Dude, I saw the Sage people. Good job. It smells so nice. I just got a little refresh. That's good because I'm getting sweaty. So sweaty. Got a little refresh. We just hit the seawall. Yes. Gotta get some electrolytes in. Electrolytes? Thank you. So nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Woo!
Are you vlogging today?
Looking good, everybody. I'm vlogging. Do you want me on the vlog?
Yeah, love it.
Say hello to the people.
She's doing great.
I paid her to say that. What? That's so cool. Woo! We got paddleboarder cheers. Wow, you guys are awesome. Amazing. Wait, this is so cool. Woohoo! Are you kidding me? That's amazing. Award for the coolest cheer station. Wow. Just leaving the seawall, met a friend Noel from New Mexico. About to go through another cheer station. Woo! We're in the last mile. Go for it. Go, go, go. Less than a mile to go. If you're feeling it, now's your time, people. Let's go. I had a quick little petsies. Okay, I gotta go, baby. I love you. Let's go. Woo! We're going sub 2. We got it. You got this. Woo! We can see the finish line. Go, go, go. We're on sub 2. Sub 2 crew. We're doing it, Nikki. We're doing it. We're almost there. My hips hurt. Woo! We're at 159. 159. 159. Woo! Where's my 2-hour crew?
We're on the planet right now. Nothing compares to the SeaWheeze experience.
We did it! We're at 159.30! 159.30! Let's go! Woo! 159.40!
Take it with me on the finish line. Our 2-hour pace is coming in strong.
Alright, 2 hours.
Gymnastics, come on, yes!
9:20.
With those rhinestones.
We did it! Congrats! Congrats! Nice! Love your energy! Congratulations! You did it! Oh, thank you! Woo-hoo! Congrats, yeah, of course! Congrats! You did it, guys! You did it! You guys were right?
Yes, it is.
Under 2?
I hope so.
I'm
I still have a live stream, so I'll have to check the people link.
Okay, what kind of race speeds you run right afterwards? This is so nice. Thank you so much. Recovery fuel. I just changed clothes. That's nasty. What's your favorite part?
After Boulevard Bridge in the downhill,
Yeah.
it was a blast.
Yeah.
I really enjoy it.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, the floating cheer station. So cool.
Me too.
Which
me
one?
too.
What was my favorite part?
under the bridge.
Yeah.
I like seeing the mermaids as well. I felt like I was tripping. I was
The
like,
mermaids? Leo, what was your favorite part?
Crossing the finish line, that was awesome. It was such a fun day. And I nailed the pacing.
Yes! Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Like, Les, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part of the race?
Yeah.
The people. I met people all over. I was German for like 5 kilometers.
You were
The word good is in it.
Did they teach you that?
They told me it means it's all good. They said it's all good.
It's all good.
It means
What was your favorite part, Andrew?
Okay. That boat on the seawall.
Right.
Crazy.
Favorite part? What was your favorite part? Jump scare.
Stop filming me. To be fair, the favorite part was when these two gentlemen came to me after the race and said they were singing my song the whole time. Du bist gut genug.
Kayla, what's your favorite part?
Oh, wait. I had so many great parts. 225 was a blast.
Yeah.
Fun. I loved the mermaids. They were so fun and unexpected. Seawall was beautiful. And the medal is sick.
The medals are really
It's very nice. It's very nice.
They're heavy.
Yeah, they are. And the foyer or stage rollers.
Oh, I was I like went over to them and I was like spraying it. I smell horrible.
We gotta go. Sorry.
Spraying me.
No, it was.
Guys, what was your favorite part?
The spinning on the
spin
bridge.
bike.
Yes.
That was the first cheer station. I was so hyped when I saw that. It's incredible.
Oh, on the stilts. On stilts.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, there was astronauts on stilts.
Wait, what?
You missed out.
I missed that. Was that your favorite part, Lisa?
It was awesome. Yeah. It was great.
I missed the astronaut on stilts. Anya, what was your favorite part?
Oh, the mermaids, when they were like, go on humans, and I was like, you can see your legs.
They said go humans?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
I got so attached to some of the people I was pacing. I was like, do not leave me. I was like, stick on me, please.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, I definitely made buddies.
Oh, I love that.
Philly, what was your favorite part?
the drag queens was good.
Yeah.
The mermaids. I think just the surprises along the way.
Yeah.
Like people being on paddleboards cheering.
Yeah.
People with signs shouting love the grind. I was just.
Did they have signs saying love the grind?
Yeah.
I want to cry.
I was just soaking up the whole thing. It was so much fun.
I love that. All right, we made it to the finish line. We're cheering on the last runners.
We are finishing strong with a 30 Let's go, teams!
Mal, what was your favorite part?
Well, I guess this last part of like being with everyone together, receiving the last runners, seeing those people, the cries, that energy, that was pretty special for me. And I mean, the race is beautiful, everything's quite special. But this last part, mwah.
That was also my favorite part. I asked everyone before we did that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I know, and everyone had like race moments, but I think now everyone's answer would change.
Oh, no,
like that's the best part.
That was magical.
Val, can I ask you, what was your favorite part?
My gender reveal at the end.
She just did a gender reveal.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Husband has the picture.
Yes! Girl.
That was like a whole planned thing?
Kind of, yeah.
I didn't even know you were pregnant. What?
I know.
Was that what your vlog was expecting?
It was like
I'm so shocked.
exclusive. No, it's a girl.
It's a girl.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
What was your favorite part of the end?
That's the best answer. Joe, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was meeting like the mothers with their daughters, and we just, I don't know, just having conversations with people.
Yeah.
And then the end, well, just before the end, where people are like literally telling me I can't do this, and I'm thinking of stopping, and I just had to go, I'm sorry, I will never force you to do anything, but I didn't come from London to be hearing this, and I'm with you and you're with me, and we're going home. We've got less than half a K.
Yeah. Oh, at that point they were wanting to drop out.
Like 1 mile left and 1K left. Like
they were like,
do this. And I'm like,
yes, you can.
Absolutely, no, you can.
Yeah.
And I don't even know you.
Yeah.
So,
did they stick it out?
Running them in, and then going, you know, like the best kind of I told you so.
Yeah.
They proved it to themselves.
Yes.
That was the best.
Oh, I love that. That's such a good answer. Charlie, what was your favorite part?
My favourite part was actually running people up the final stretch.
Yeah, me too.
Because they didn't think we were going to be there waiting for them.
I know. They had no idea we were going to be there.
And look in their faces was just like, it's a good reminder of why we do this.
I know.
You know what I mean? It's brilliant.
And the tears that
came
out.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
I know. Can you tell me your favorite part? What's your favorite part?
The finish line.
Yeah.
Dancing.
Me too.
Yeah.
Why was it so special?
It's like a party.
Yeah.
It's a real party.
Yeah, that was the best. How was your part?
Probably running with Margot.
Oh,
yeah.
So good.
Yeah.
I have the best news ever. I just woke up from a nap. Oh, my voice is too much yelling. And there was a 2-for-1 special on Uber Eats for pizzas, and I feel like Matt James right now because I'm going to eat both of them. I am so flippin' hungry. Let's see what we got. It's just, oh yeah. See, they're small. Thank God I got 2. The only problem was they made you get the same one. I'm gonna find something to watch on Netflix, so I'm just gonna veg out for a little bit. And then we have the sunset party later, so I gotta revive myself. John saw me. Here I go. Okay, vlog, it's almost time to go home. It's Sunday, 11 o'clock. I woke up, went and got a coffee, and had a delicious donut around the corner. Then I came back and did a workout at the hotel gym. Really quick, a strength session. And I'm packing up, and I'm realizing I have even more stuff that I didn't unbox. So I have a little bit of time before I have to leave for the airport. So I'm just gonna record a little. The other thing that I got is this jacket. I kind of like it as like a casual jacket. You could definitely run in it, but I kind of like it just a casual jacket. It's called the Adapted State Track Jacket. Very cute. The Finish Line, you got this blue like trucker hat. Got this t-shirt for Kevin at the merch store. So cute. I also picked up this visor. It says Run Yoga Party, and this one's really cute, and I love the purple color. So I'm definitely gonna try running in this. The thing I got was this sweatshirt. I'm a little bit scared because I am really bad with white things. Baby's first SeaWheeze complete. I really hope they do it again next year. I hope it's not just like they bring it back for 1 year. I have no idea, so don't ask me.
but it was so fun, and I 10 out of 10 recommend. This is not, you can run fast on this course, but this is not a race about PRs. Everyone who I talked to, I was like, how did it go, whatever, and they're like, oh, I didn't get a PR, but I had so much fun. And it was like, yeah, sometimes it's just not about that. Like, sometimes you definitely want to go to a race and like set a PR and go to a fast course and like focus on splits and your watch and yada yada. This is just, for me, this is not that race. There's so much going on in the course, and there's so much energy and so many good people who are there to have fun, and you just want to be able to enjoy it. And sometimes focusing too much on splits and, you know, the stress of like racing kind of takes away from the experience of it, and then you finish the race being like, I didn't even see the mermaids, you know, because I was so focused on running fast. So for me, this is a race that, yes, you can run fast, but maybe the emphasis is more just about enjoying all the people around you and having fun, which is exactly what I did. So hopefully they do it next year. I had a blast. Vancouver, you're amazing. Beautiful city, 10 out of 10. And yeah, we'll see you next time.